We couldn't just make another portable coffee maker. In order to solve the problem, we had to design a product that would match the taste quality of an industrial machine, only available in expensive coffee shops.
That's the one, it's the same pressure. Woo, done it!
For the first time, this means barista-style coffee wherever you go. Unlike machines that use pods or cartridges, Coffee Jack can extract any espresso coffee of your choice. We have designed an automatic tamper which will save you time whilst making your coffee. Coffee Jack sits directly over your mug to eliminate any mess. If you prefer your espresso in a smaller glass, we have an extraction stand available. Simply fill with hot water and pump approximately 8 times for a full quality espresso extraction. All great ideas start with a problem. There are over 16 billion disposed coffee cups every year with environmentally harmful plastic laminates and lids. Our solution is to reduce the desire for takeout coffee by making the quality available outside of expensive coffee shops. No more waiting around in queues. Now you can have great coffee at your desk while saving time and money. With a cost saving of up to 85% per cup compared to the average coffee shop prices. Coffee Jack uses no pods, filters or consumables. Better yet, we use 100% recycled engineering plastic, meaning our ocean is a little cleaner with every sale.
A good quality of coffee for sure. We're drinking your special coffee.
So impressed. I'm really looking forward to this.
Cafe-style espresso everywhere you go. Introducing the Leverpresso. Leverpresso is a portable espresso maker. It produces up to 9 bars of pressure without using electricity. With minimal force, pressure is evenly distributed, allowing you to get consistent, flavorful espresso every time. You can make espresso in your home, office, or anywhere. All you need is hot water, coffee, and 3 minutes. The Leverpresso makes 2 shots of espresso for on the go or in your own cup. Use these shots to make your favorite coffee drinks like cappuccinos and lattes. The Leverpresso lets you control the brewing process, so you can extract the full flavor from your coffee beans. Enjoy coffee the way you want to. No lines, no baristas, just good coffee. Leverpresso, the perfect portable espresso maker. Enjoy real espresso made with 9-bar pressure everywhere.
I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light.
Meet Giza. It's an intelligent pour-over coffee maker that delivers professional quality hand-brewed coffee. You can have it any time of day. Giza features a sophisticated spinning arm turntable design which delicately replicates the ideal hand pour technique of top baristas. Plus, you can also choose recipes sourced from them. With Giza, you can set temperature, brew time, and others to your liking. Meanwhile, you can hone your barista skills or even share your own personal favorite recipes. Other than that, its exquisite candlelit heat source ensures the elegance of a vintage cafe. Now just sit back, relax, and enjoy how captivating home pour-over brewing can be.
Enjoy your coffee. I'm going to enjoy mine. Pebble Bottle. This is the perfect product for dynamic and busy coffee lovers. This stylish pebble bottle can follow you everywhere you go with coffee. Hot or cold. Pebble Bottle allows you to easily make your coffee. The secret of the Pebble Bottle is the double micron filter, which improves the coffee's taste. The unique insulated bottle will preserve the temperature of your brewed coffee. Hot or cold. Everywhere. Every day. Pebble Bottle is the simplest coffee maker. Pebble Bottle will fulfill your love of coffee.